How are we celebrating the abundance on the day a person died? I explained earlier, it is not because we are celebrating the death of a person. We are celebrating that a person who we as disciples could see most of the time only in his physical form, for which we had to travel long distances just to go a little glimpse of him, get a darshan of him, became visible to us 24/7, even though he was not in his physical body after 2nd April 1948. That is a very big gift that a perfect living master gives us. That when he accepts us as his friend, he remains a friend forever and not while we are in the physical bodies. He manifests himself on the day when he initiates or accepts us, in us. We can see him 24/7, have a conversation with him 24/7, ask questions and have a conversation like we have in the physical bodies. And that's a very big thing that happens. And this is one of the biggest things that can happen in the manner in which perfect living masters manifest themselves in us at the time of initiation and become our friends forever, and ever means forever, for eternity. Not only is it a guarantee that they will be with us forever, their initiation is also a guarantee that they will be with us till we reach our own real home, our true home, from where we originally came into these experiences of different universes, especially this physical universe in which we are sitting now. Therefore, we are observing something very different from merely the passing away of a person. Not only that, on this day, because it was a big revelation to us, how he has not really died for us, but he is still living for us, and living in a form in which we can see him and talk to him. It's a day of great, abundant grace. I have watched since 1948 till 1949, till today, that I have been celebrating this day, that the grace that flows on this day, on the 2nd of April, is unmatched with the grace we see other days. As I said yesterday, grace is like rain falling. Rain falls, showers come, and they are like showers of grace. If we have a cup and we keep it straight up, it gets filled up in no time. If the cup is not kept up, only put upside down, it never gets filled up. If the cup is only sideways, few drops will get in and not too much. The cup in this case, when you want to receive grace of a perfect living master, is the cup of our attention. If our attention is all in the world, it's upside down. If our attention is partly in meditation and in the master and partly outside, it's like a cup lying sideways. Little bit of grace comes in. But if the attention is entirely inside on the master, the grace fills you up in no time. And that is why sometimes the rain is normal rain, sometimes there are extra showers. Tomorrow will be extra showers. I've seen that every year, every time. So that is why I consider this day, 2nd of April, to be a very important day of Bhandara of Great Master Hazur Maharaj Baba Sawan Singh.